Hello friends, till now in this course we had learned about geometric constraint. So we had learned how to apply manual constraint into the sketches. In this video we will learn how automatic constraints are applied into the sketches. So automatic constraints are applied by the software itself. So to understand this, let's draw some sketches. So I go to this rectangle tool, click on this rectangle and draw this basic type of rectangle. Select this, select a first point and select a second point. So our rectangle is drawn. In this rectangle we can see the symbol of H and V. Similarly here we can see H and V. So this H represents that this line is horizontal and this vertical V represent that this line is vertical. So these constraints are automatically applied by the software because we have not applied them manually. So what is the advantage of this? When I pick this line, when I pick this point and try to drag it, because we have not inserted any dimension, so we can drag it. So pick this point, hold down the left click of the mouse and drag the mouse. We can see we can increase or decrease the length of this rectangle, but we cannot rotate this. If I try to rotate it, it will not rotate. It means these lines are constrained. We cannot change their orientation. Whatever change I want to make, they will always be horizontal and vertical. So this is called auto constraining. So if we want to delete this constraint, just take the mouse onto this constraint, okay, and then make a right click on this and delete them. Right now we can see it is deleted. So I try to pick this line and drag it. Now we can see we can change this angle. So that is how automatic constraint work. So let's go to some more examples. As we have discussed earlier, when I take the line command and draw a line like this, so when I try to make this line straight, we can see this blue symbol. It means it is vertical because we can see the angle will be turned to 90 degrees here. So this is vertical. When this angle will be 0, like this time the angle is 0, it is horizontal. Okay, so when I click here, we can see the symbol of H. So this H is horizontal. In the similar way, we can insert more constraint. If I try to draw a circle like this, select this first circle and then I will draw another circle. So I select this point and try to draw the circle. So when I try to increase the size of this circle, we can see the software has automatically take some references. In the bottom side we can see a blue line has been appeared. So this blue line is showing the symbol of tangency. So this circle is now tangent along the axis of this horizontal line. Okay, so let's reduce the size and now we can see this blue extending line. So software is automatically try to insert the constraint into this. So if we don't want this, just drag the circle once again. So now it is showing no constraint. So when I take this circle with respect to this circle, okay, like this, and now we can see, okay, let's see from this view. I try to zoom in onto this to have a better view. Okay, so now when I drag it, we can see the symbol of tangency here. So now at this point, these two circles are tangent with respect to each other. And now we can see the second circle has been turned into orange. It means its reference has been taken. I click here and now we can see this. These two lines are tangent. We can see also the symbol here. Okay, so once again automatic tangency is applied. In the similar way, we can also make two lines parallel with respect to each other. So I pen in here. I draw a line like this, draw a line, and once again I draw a second line. Okay, so let's try to change its orientation. Rotate it, and then at this point, at some point, now at this point we can see a symbol has appeared in the blue color. That symbol is called parallelism. So at this point these two lines are parallel with respect to each other. Okay, so I click here and these two lines are parallel. Similarly, we can also make lines tangent. We can insert the symmetry by using the automatic constraint. So automatic constraint is really important because it saves our time. Instead of inserting the constraint manually, we can use this automatic option to reduce our time of sketching. So when we cover up some more examples of drawing the sketches, we will learn about these constraints in more depth.